Dear Civil Service aspirants, today South Asian satellite or GSAT-09 was successfully launched by Indian Space Research Organization. It's important for your prelims examination. The GSAT-09 was built by ISRO for use by countries of the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation (SAARC) region. The mission life of GSAT-09 is 12 years. The satellite was announced by our Prime Minister during the 2014 SAARC summit in Nepal, and all SAARC countries have since joined it except Pakistan. The total cost of launching the satellite is about 235 crore, and the cost associated with the launch met by the Government of India. The GSAT-09 was launched from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota using a geostationary launching vehicle F-09. It comes under GSLV version Mark II launch vehicle. Why ISRO chose GSLV for launching South Asian satellite than PSLV? Because payload capacity of Polar satellite launching vehicle is 1750 kg. So it can't carry heavier payload is having above 1750 kg. Since GSAT-09 has 2230 kg weight, ISRO had to use GSLV. What is payload capacity of launching vehicle or rocket? Payload capacity is the carrying capacity of launch vehicle. It is usually measured in terms of weight. Payload may be satellite, human being and warhead. If payload is warhead, rocket becomes missile. The GSLV F-09 is about 50 meter tall and is the 11th flight of the GSLV. It is also its 4th consecutive flight with the indigenous cryogenic upper stage engine. What is the cryogenic upper stage of GSLV? GSLV has 3 stages. In first and second stages, use solid and liquid propellants respectively. Third stage of GSLV is cryo stage because it uses cryogenic propellant. What is propellant? It is a combination of fuel and oxidizer. The fuel constitutes of the chemical the rocket burns. But for burning to take place, an oxidizer or oxygen is required. What is cryogenic propellant? A cryogenic propellant is a form of liquid propellant for rocket engines that must be kept at very low temperatures to remain liquid. The common examples are liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. The mixture of fuels offers the highest energy efficiency for the rocket engines that produces very high amount of thrust. Here the oxygen remains liquid only at the temperature below minus 183 degrees Celsius and hydrogen at below minus 253 degrees Celsius. Cryogenic propellants are preferred as rocket propellants when rockets have to carry payloads of high mass because they have the greatest efficiency in terms of thrust generated. What are the applications of GSAT-09? The satellite called GSAT-09 enables full range of applications and services in the area of telecommunication and broadcasting applications, namely tele-education, telemedicine, direct to home DTH, very small aperture terminals VSATs and disaster management support for SAARC countries except for Pakistan. What is tele-education? Tele-education provides satellites based distance education services for bridging rural-urban divide and improve quality in education sector across the SAARC countries. What is telemedicine? Telemedicine provides medical diagnosis and consultation by specialists, doctors to patients located in remote and rural areas. What is direct to home? DTH. DTH is the reception of satellite programs with a personal dish in an individual home. DTH does away with the need for the local cable operator and put the broadcaster directly in touch with the consumer. What is very small aperture terminals? VSATs. VSAT is a communication system that serves home and business users. VSATs are used to transmit broadband, narrowband data or broadband data. VSATs are also used for transportable or mobile maritime communications. Besides these applications, GSAT-9's information can be used for performing rescue operation at the time of disasters like earthquake, landslide, cyclone, flood, etc. happening in the South Asian countries. Now we will try to solve a model question by applying this knowledge. The question reads as, with reference to South Asian satellite recently seen in the news, which of the following statements are correct? First statement is that it is also called GSAT-8. Second statement is that it was launched by GSLV Mark II. And third statement is that it will provide tele-education and telemedicine. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A is 1 only, option B is 2 and 3 only, option C is 1 and 3 only, and option D is 1, 2 and 3. It is a 3-statement question. If you look at the first statement, you can understand that it's a wrong statement, because South Asian satellite is otherwise called GSAT-9. If you know the first statement is wrong, then you can eliminate the A, C and D, because those options are having first statement. So without even knowing second and third statements, you got the answer. To get more clarity on this topic, you can refer our comprehensive study material on South Asian satellite. You can visit New IAS website to obtain material of this topic.